Using baking soda for home pest control is a natural, inexpensive, and non-toxic approach to manage common household pests like ants, cockroaches and bed bugs. Here's a complete guide on how to use baking soda for total home pest control. Cockroaches are among the most stubborn and unhygienic pests found in homes. Baking soda serves as an effective, natural bait that kills roaches by disrupting their internal systems, without the use of toxic chemicals. To kill cockroaches using baking soda, take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of liquid Dettol to it. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix well. Next, pour in 1 glass of water and stir the mixture thoroughly until all the ingredients are fully combined. Take a few cotton balls and soak them in the solution until they are completely saturated. Once soaked, remove the cotton balls and place them on a plate. Carefully set these cotton balls one by one in areas where cockroaches are most active. The strong disinfecting power of Dettol combined with the chemical reaction of baking soda helps repel and kill cockroaches naturally, giving you a cleaner and pest-free home. Roach killer powder provides long-lasting protection against roaches. The convenient puffer bottle allows for easy application, even in hard-to-reach areas where pests like to hide. The formula also contains a food-grade lure that attracts roaches from their hiding spots for more effective control. Ants may be small, but they can quickly become a big nuisance once they invade your home. They are often attracted to food crumbs, sugary spills, and moisture, forming long trails that are difficult to eliminate. To kill ants using baking soda, start by taking 1 fresh cucumber and washing it thoroughly in a bowl of water. After washing, dry it completely and cut it into thin slices. Next, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of baking soda evenly over the cucumber slices, making sure each slice is well coated. Place the prepared cucumber slices on a plate and set them in areas where ants are most active, such as near windows, kitchen counters, or along ant trails. The natural scent of cucumber combined with the chemical action of baking soda helps repel and kill ants effectively, providing a simple, safe, and eco-friendly way to keep your home ant-free. Ant baits are an easy and effective solution for getting rid of common household ants. These ready-to-use baits attract ants with a sweet liquid they love, which they then carry back to their colony to share, effectively killing both the ants you see and the ones hidden in their nests. Simply place the bait stations indoors along baseboards, in corners, or on countertops where ants are most active. It's simple, convenient, and highly effective for maintaining a clean, pest-free home. Bed bugs are one of the most troublesome household pests, known for their itchy bites and ability to hide in tiny cracks and crevices. They can quickly infest mattresses, furniture, and bedding, making them difficult to eliminate once established. To kill bed bugs using baking soda, start by cleaning and vacuuming the affected areas thoroughly, including your mattress, bed frame, and nearby furniture. Once clean, sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda over the mattress seams, along the edges, under the bed, and in any cracks or corners where bed bugs might hide. Leave the baking soda in place for at least 3 days, allowing it to absorb moisture from the bed bugs and dry them out. After a few days, vacuum the treated areas carefully to remove the baking soda and any dead bugs. Repeat this process weekly until there are no signs of infestation. This natural method helps reduce bed bug populations safely and effectively without the use of harmful chemicals. Bed bug spray is an effective and easy-to-use solution for eliminating bed bugs in your home. It kills bed bugs once the spray has completely dried, ensuring long-lasting results. The 1-gallon size offers great value, allowing for multiple applications over time to fully control infestations. Its odorless and non-staining formula won't damage fabrics when used as directed, making it safe for indoor use. The extended trigger sprayer makes it simple to reach and treat hidden areas where bed bugs often hide, helping you keep your home clean and pest-free. Regular use and proper cleaning habits will help ensure long-term protection and a healthier living environment for you and your family.